Plot a graph showing variation of de Broglie wavelength associated with a charged particle of mass m versus 1 upon root v, where is potential difference through which the particle is accelerated. How does this graph give us the information regarding the magnitude of the charge of the particle? We'll see the plot here first. This is the lambda, that is wavelength to upon 1 upon a root v graph. Okay, if the lambda is increases gradually, the 1 upon root v, that is means this value is also increases. Okay, linearly. Then we can write, by this information, by this graph, we can write it as lambda is equal to h divided by under root of 2m qv, and lambda divided by 1 upon root v is equal to h divided by under root of 2m cube. This is what we called as slope. This is the slope. Then we can write q is equal to h square upon 2m. Then we can write it as slope whole square.